everyone. Welcome to our maths class. Okay children. Today our first chapter is numbers and their operations. Our first chapter is numbers and their operation. You know children about the numbers. Yes. Already you learned in the before classes about numbers and their operations. And their operation means how many operations are there? 4 operations are there. What is the first one? Addition. What is the first one? Operation. Numbers operations are 4. 4 operations. First one is the addition. Second one, subtraction. Third one, multiplication. Fourth one, division. Yes, children. Maths is depend upon these 4 operations. Maths is depend upon these 4 operations. You know these 4 operations, we will do maths very well. Okay, children. First you can discuss about the numbers. Yes, already you know the numbers. What is mean by number? What is meaning of a number? A group of digits form a number. A group of digits form a number. You know children, what are the digits? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here, these are called digits. How many digits are there? Here, 10 digits are there. How many digits are there? 10 digits are there. By using these 10 digits, you form any number. Okay, children. Yes, here will be see here 1 digit number. Will be select here only the 1 digit. Then it is I selected only 2. That is called as a single digit number. Now 2 digit numbers. I selected 2 digits and written as a group. Yes. So this is called as a 2 digit number. 3 digit numbers. Now 3 to 32. Here we will write as 4 I selected. 4 is a single. So it is called as a single digit number. Here 3 to 32. It is a 2 digits are there. So it is called as a 2 digit number. 3 digit numbers. 4, 2, 8. I selected 4, 2, 8. 3 digits and written as a group. So this is called as a 3 digit number. Okay children. To form in this way it is the numbers. Maybe you selected the 4 digits and write as a group. Then will be called as a 4 digit number, 5 digit number, and write like this. Okay. Next one, numbers are, while you are reading and writing the numbers, you are using the 2 systems. What are the systems? Indian place value system. Indian place value system. And another one is international place value system. International place value system. Indian place value system is called as Hindu-Arabic numeral system also. Hindu-Arabic system also. Hindu-Arabic system also. The international place value system is called as English system also. English system. Okay children. Here in the numbers and their operation, totally we have the 8 synopses in this chapter has 8 synopses. Today we will discuss about that Indian place value system and international place value system. This is the first synopsis and this is the second synopsis. Okay children. Indian place value system is called as Hindu-Arabic system. International place value system is called as a English system also. Okay children. So now we will discuss about the Indian place value system. Indian place value system. Indian place value system. In Indian place value system, We are discuss about now today with the 9-digit numbers. 9-digit numbers. How to read and how to write the 9-digit numbers in Indian place value system. Okay, children. In Indian place value system, divide into that 9-digit number divide into the 4 periods. How many periods? 4 periods. What are those? First period is ones period. Next one, thousands period. Next one, lakhs period. And next one, crores period. Next one, crores period. Okay, children. In 9-digit number Indian place value system divide into 4 periods. Yes. What is the first period is ones period, tens, thousands period, lakhs period, and crores period. Afterwards, each period divide into some places. Each period divide into some places. Ones period divide into some places. What are those places? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, hundreds place. Thousands period divided into thousands place and 10,000 place. Next, lakhs period divided into 2 places. Lakhs, 10 lakhs, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Now, crores period divided into crores and 10 crores. Crores and 10 crores. Crores and 10 crores. Okay, children. Indian place value system 9-digit number is divided into 4 periods. What are those 4 periods? Ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, and crores period. Ones period divided into 3 places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Thousands period divided into 2 places. Thousands place and 10,000 place. Thousands place and 10,000 place. Lakhs period divided into lakhs place and 10 lakhs place. Next one, crores period. Crores period divided into crores and 10 crores. Crores and 10 crores. Okay, children. How to draw the Indian place value system? How to draw the Indian place value system? See here. How many periods are the periods, children? 4 periods. What is the first period? Ones period. Okay. The first one is periods. Yes. Next, ones period divided into 3 places. What are those places? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. These are places. Next one, thousands. Thousands period. Thousands place and 10,000 place. Thousands place and 10,000 place. Next one, lakhs period. Lakhs period divided into 2 places. Lakhs and 10 lakhs. Lakhs and 10 lakhs. Next, crores period. Crores period. Crores period divided into crores place and 10 crores. Crores and 10 crores. Okay, children. Yes. Ones. Ones. Tens. Hundreds. thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Next, what will come in Indian place value system? Next place in the crores period, crores, 10 crores. Next will come 100 crores, like that we will get it. Okay. Now, here once period. Okay. Okay, children, did you understand? Okay. Next one, we'll discuss how to write the numbers in Indian place value system. Yes. Today we'll discuss about that how to write the number names in Indian place value system, how to write the numbers in Indian place value system. First of all, how to put the commas in Indian place value system. Once you will observe, children, in this one, what is that comma, what is there, put the commas of the following numbers in Indian place value system. How to put the commas in Indian place value system. Okay, children. It is given any 9-digit number 9, 4, 8, 7, 6, 3, 4, 5, 7. Yes. Here observe, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a 9-digit number. Yes. How to read this 9-digit number in Indian place value system? First, in this way, the number is there. It is unable to read that number in correct way. Yes. So, you can divide into the period space. Put the commas. How to put the commas? How to put the commas in the period space? What are those? First, you can write the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Already I said 9-digit number divided into 4 periods. What is the first period? Ones period. Ones period has 3 places. What are those places? Ones, tens, hundreds. Always places to write from right side to left side. Always places to mention from right side to left side. Ones, tens, hundreds is comma. Thousands, 10,000s, comma. Lakhs, 10 lakhs, comma. Crores, 10 crores. Okay, children. Now, first step, when you are writing the numbers, names, Indian place value system, first step, write the number and write the place values upon the number and divide into the periods and put the commas. Okay. Now, after putting commas, you read this number. While you are reading the number, read from left side to right side. Read from left side to right side. Okay, children. In this one, comma before, which number is there? 94. Which number is there? 94. 94 in which period it is there? Crores and 10 crores places is there. Crores and 10 crores is considered as a crores period. Considered as a crores period. First to write that comma before which number is there? 94. 94. 94 in crores and 10 crores places. Yes, then it is a crores period. 94 crores. Next one, 87. 87 in which period? Here lakhs and 10 lakhs. Lakhs and 10 lakhs considered as a lakhs period. So, 87 lakhs. 87 lakh. Next one, 63,000. Now here what is there? 63. 63 places, thousands and 10,000. Thousands and 10,000 considered as a thousand period. So you can write here 63,000. Now this is the 457. 457. 457 once a period. So you no need to write any period, just directly to write the 457. 457. 457. Okay, children. How to write the number names in Indian place value system? He is given any digit number. First you write the places. Afterwards you divide into the groups wise, periods wise. Next, then first to read that which period in the last left to right. While you are writing the numbers, left to right. First to read that. This is that 94 in the crores period. So you can write 94 crore. 87 in the lakhs. So 87 lakh 63,457. Okay, children. One more example. One more, not only the 90 children, any digit number to write in this way. Any digit number to write in this way. One more example. Here, we will observe children 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a 7-digit number. This is a 7-digit number. What is the first step while you are writing the number names? Should be mention the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakh. What is the next step? Divide into the periods. Divide into the periods. Ones, tens, hundred is one period. Thousands and 10,000s is another period. Lakhs, 10 lakhs. How to read these numbers? First to read this left to right. Yes, comma before which one is there? 19. So you can write here 19. 19 in which place? In the lakhs places. So it is considered as a lakhs period. 19 lakh 24,000. 19 lakh 24,763. 763. Okay, children. How to write that number names in Indian place value system? Did you understand? First, when you are mentioning the digits, counting how many digits are there. That is which digit number. Here it is the 7 digits are there. 7 digits are there. So it is called as a 7-digit number. After should be mentioned that 7 places. What are those 7 places? After you can divide into that periods. Now you can write the number. Okay, children. Next, how to write the numerals in Indian place value system. When it is given that number name, how to write that numeral for that number. How to write numeral for that number. See here, 3 crore 5 lakh 3 crore 5 lakh 700 3 crore 5 lakh 756. What is there? This is a number name. This is a number name. Yes, when it is given the number name, how to write the number in Indian place value system? First you will observe while you are reading the number name, first will be observe that this number will be which period is there, started with which period. Yes, which period here? 3. 3 is a number. Yes, crore. 3 crore. Crore is the period. Yes, so you can write that place values ones place to up to crores place. Ones place to up to crores place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Crores, 10 crores. Once you see here children, 3 crore. This is the crores period. Yes, this is the crores period. The crores period, how many places you return? 2 places you return. You return 2 places. But here 3 crore. 3 means it is a single digit. 3 is a single digit. Yes, maybe you return here 3 is a single digit. But here 2 places are there. Here 2 places are there. Where you write that 0. Maybe I okay, here two places are there. Here 3 crore. Yes. Here 3 crore. 3 is there. Yes, I written the 3, but you want to the 2 digits here. I written 30. I written the right side. Digit right side. I written the 0. Then what is the value of that one? 30. Yes. Here I written the left side here. What is the value of this one? 3. But you want to here it is only 3, not a 30. So you can take this one to write it before single digit. Yes, 3 crores. Next, what is the next period children here? Lakhs. Yes, see here lakhs. Lakhs also, how many lakhs are there? 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs are there. 5. 5. Yes, you want single digit. Yes, so you can write it before 0. 5 lakhs. Now next period is thousands. Here any thousands period is there? No, no thousands period. No thousands period, any number is not there. So you can write as a zeros. Next one 756. Already you know that 700. 7 in the hundreds place. 56. 5 6 56. Here two places are there. Two places. 5 6 56. This is how to read this one? 3 crores. 3 crore. 5 lakh. 5 lakh. 700. 756. 56. Okay children, how to write the numeral for the given any number name. One more example. One more example. $37 lakh 8,000 37 lakh 8,060 8,060. Yes, 37 lakh. Here which period is there children? This is 37 is a number, lakh is a period. So you can write from right side to left side up to the lakhs period. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Lakhs, 10 lakhs. Now see, observe children here, the lakhs period 37 lakh, 37. 37, the 2 digits. 37 means 2 digits. Lakhs period also has 2 digits. So you can write 37 lakh. Okay. Next one, thousands period. 8,000. 8,000. 8,000 means 8. Only single digit. Here it is, we have the 2 places. So you can write that when you will get that only single digit, you write that left side of the digit 0. Left side of the digit 0. 8,000. Next 60. But 60. Here how many places are there? 3 places. How many places are there? 3 places. But you got only the 2 digit number 60. 60 means only 2 digit number. 2 digit number has 2 places, ones, tens, only ones, tens. But you are not getting here hundreds. So you can write in the hundreds place with the 0. Hundreds place is 0. So you can write like this. 60. 0 hundreds and 60. Now to read this one, 37 lakh. 37 lakh. 8,000. In thousands period, 8,000. Next 60 is a 60. Did you understand children how to read the numbers in Indian place value system? How to write the numbers in Indian place value system? When you are mentioning the places from right side to left side, while you are reading the number name or writing the numbers for left side to right side. Okay children. Now next synopsis, what is that I told you? International place value system. International place value system. We will discuss about the international place value system.